Hello, welcome again. We are solving mathematics paper of year 2024 of NDNA 1 exam. For question number 89 and 90, there is a common statement. So for question number 89 and 90, consider the following for next two items that follow. Let pi a is equal to limits a to a plus 100 pi modulus sin x dx. Question number 89 is what is pi a equal to? Option A 0, option B A, option C 100 A, option D 200. Question number 90, what is pi dash a equal to? Option A 0, option B pi, option C 100 and option D 200. So here pi a is equal to limits a to a plus 100 pi modulus sin x dx. So now this can be bifurcated into different limits. So first of all a to pi, then pi to 2 pi, and then 2 pi to 3 pi, and so on up to a plus 100 pi, and integral remains same, that is modulus sin x dx. Okay, so now integration of this part is your modulus cos x, and limits are pi to a, and this is also having same integration, and limits are 2 pi to pi. Same way we go up to last integral, that is so it will be cos x modulus a plus 100 pi by 200 pi are limit. So we put the limit, then it will be cos pi minus cos a, cos pi minus cos a, and this here will be cos within modulus, and here it will be cos 2 pi minus cos pi modulus, and here also cos 3, same way we go on, cos 3 pi minus cos 2 pi modulus, and last will be your cos a plus 100 pi minus cos 100 pi within modulus. So now the value of cos pi is your minus 1, and for cos a is cos a, and value of cos 2 pi is 1, and value of cos pi is minus 1, minus minus will be plus, so it will make 2. Similarly we can make up to 2 will be there, 2 will be there, 2 will be there, and last will be your cos a, because cos 100 pi plus a is your cos a, and this is your 1, so it will be cos a minus 1. So these will make 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 will make 198. There will be 99 terms like that, so it will be 198. And as it is within modulus, so and this is minus 1 and this is minus cos a, so it can be written as 1 plus cos a. And this is also within modulus, this is cos a, this is minus 1, and we know that the any value of cos will be either equal to 1 or minus 1 or in between 1 and minus 1, because cos a is not cos pi or cos 2 pi or cos 3 pi, so its value will be uh, will be less than 1. So if we take cos a less than 1, then cos a minus 1 will be a negative, and it is within modulus, so we have to change sign here, so it will be 1 minus cos a, because cos a is less than 1 and it is positive, we are assuming it is positive. So as it is less than 1, so it is minus 1, so it will be negative, and negative will change to positive, so we can write it as 1 minus cos a. So now cos a will cancel out, so it will make 198 plus 1 plus 1 200. So answer is option B. So pi a will be equal to 200. Now we differentiate pi a, because there is no a in 200, so the differentiation will be 0. So answer is A for question number 90 and D for question number 89.